Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita. Let's see what are the messages for you. Do subscribe to my channel, like the video if it resonates. For personal readings, you can contact me on my Instagram or contact number details are in the description. It's started raining over here. Maybe you are at a place where it's raining because it's suddenly started raining. So it's like I started my reading and it started raining. Okay, so we have Two of Pentacles. Maybe you have two options, something to do with two options. You're confused which option to choose. It can be for people in your life. Maybe you are confused between two people, or it can be related to job as well. Let's see what are the cards saying. I also get you're working as a magician, or you work in a circus, or you visited a circus. You're working very hard. I guess this is like, though it is a love reading, but I feel that these two cards are saying that it's related to career because you're working very hard, you're working very passionately for something. The confusion might be whether to, because there can be obstacles in your career. So might be you are thinking whether to start a business or to uh, join a new job. Yeah, emotions. You're too focused on your work that you're overlooking the emotions, you're overlooking the love. Even if people approach you, or if your person, shows love to you, they want to offer you something, they want to meet you, you are so busy, you are just closed, like, become very closed with your work. Justice. I feel it's time for you to, equally give time to your relationships and to your work. So I feel this is your energy, that you've become very work oriented. You need to focus on love, emotions too. Maybe you are, working hard because you want to get at a higher position. That can be one of the reasons. Yeah, see, working towards earning. Maybe you are the one who has all the responsibility in the house. Money is definitely coming in, and if you were working for a higher position, that is also coming in. I also get that you are working to buy, like, you want to buy a house, you want to start a family. That is why you're working too hard, doing two jobs. That can be one of the messages. 2, 8, 4, 11, 2, 14, 5. These can be important numbers, date of birth, or important dates in your life. Maybe you notice stars. You want to get a new cup. Wow, you're very strong. You're building your strength. You're not scared of anything. You are a very strong person. Even if things are going slow in your life, do not worry, because King of Pentacles, you have money, you have a house, a beautiful house. Everything will fall in place at the right time. It's like right now you focus on your work, also focus on relationships. Be honest with your work. Wow. In your relationship, you might be thinking about the past, worried about the past. This can be related to relationships. Someone from the past might approach you. See these cards. Someone from the past might message you or call you. They want to talk to you. Also a sign of, opening up. Twin flames, soulmates. If you see, it's like 6 and 4. You are an emotional person, but right now might be you are focused on your work. Yeah, you might have gone through a heartbreak, betrayal. Someone might have backstabbed you in office or in relationship. I feel more of, in relationship, that you had a lot of problems in relationship, and that is why I see that you have, fully started focusing on your work, and left behind your emotions or for love. You have become a closed person. Messages are so different, like, a mix of career and love, different energies. You might visit a beach at night. You might want to visit a zoo, or you might be visiting a zoo in the next 8 to 10 days. 8 is also very important. Infinity, whatever success you'll get, it's, infinite success. Something is coming towards you with full speed. Opportunities, love, a past person, your dream home. So I'm getting a lot of you know home related things. So you might be wanting to buy a house, and yeah, that is a very strong message I'm getting. You want to start a family, but you're working to buy a house. So yeah, maybe in the next 8 months you are going to get what you want. Yeah, you have to stand out from the crowd, and definitely you are working hard for that. See, to stand out from the crowd, doing every possible thing. You have that passion in you, that fire, that I want to do this, I want to, you know uh, work hard. Very you work very perfectly, like, you prefer perfection. Wow, let's end this reading over your Knight of Pentacles. The process might be slow in your life, the home or the money or the relationship, but it is coming and it is going to stay. It is for long term. 7, 6. We have got a lot of 4, 8, something to do with stability. So you're looking for stability, and that is going to stay, like that is going to come towards you, and it is going to stay for long term. Very beautiful cards. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next reading.